It's not often a road is named after a music-based celebrity, but Bounty Killer long in a league of his own and now literally a fixture in Kingston's Seaview Gardens.
He's on dangerous. This is Roddy, the price. I told them, no one gonna scold them.
Bounty Killer in Seaview Gardens in the 90s.
See, we have a big truck park up here. I see with all I for them places, I see people can't have pretty house.
Along with that of other top toasters, the dancehall decade defined by his sound, a grimy blend of hardcore social commentary and gruff vocals. As his stage name implied, there was a price to be paid for crossing him, even when his lyrical vest wasn't always bulletproof. Here in Seaview Gardens circa 1996, the warlord reveals the scar from a gunshot wound. Pervasive ghetto violence, not just a metaphor in songs like Copper Shot and Down in the Ghetto.
Well, down in the ghetto, where the poor have a thing.
But around this time, he's also recording the hip-hop influenced My Experience.
Jackson bought you thriller. It made all
The album later cracking Billboard's 200 chart and topping the reggae album chart for many weeks. Decades later, Bounty Killer is back in Seaview Gardens, no longer riding west armed to the lyrical teeth, and the earlier acrid whiff of notoriety long gone. Now replaced by the polite applause accorded a music establishment figure, who is being given Kingston's keys, as well as having a street named after him.
Utley Price Drive. In honor of his lasting legacy of support and development of the people and wider communities of Seaview Gardens and indeed other communities across Jamaica.
Big up all of the people who was there supporting me. From me have a little one song, Dub for Dub. Yeah, blessed love. We came a long way. Yeah, so this evening is the unfolding of a historical chapter. So you are being a part of history.
It feels good in myself and know that. I see, the man who deserve it, get it.
Longtime pal Nitty Kochi making mention of mortality.
So all I ask him to do is stay alive. You see me, I say likewise I do the same thing, because the greatest thing we have right now is waking up. Seeing it's not the alarm clock wake we up. The Almighty God. So, Rodney, just take care of yourself in the car. No matter how may go up and down, you know, say I love you. See, I cry for you, General. You see me, I say, because I don't know. I don't want nothing.
As it happened, Bounty Killer couldn't hide the smiles, even as he wished his mom could have been there.
I'm feeling auspicious. This is an extraordinary milestone, something unusual. I never even think about this in a million years, that I would be receiving the key to Kingston and a road renaming. This is just something I wish my mother was here to witness, you know?
Dancehall almost unrecognizable since Bounty Killer's hits era, including performance.
Yeah, it's missing, but we have social media now. You can just go in your bathroom and do what you are doing, just go put it online, and you can buy views and so many things just unreal, and it's unnatural. It's not natural again. It's not organic. It's just saturated. So everybody does do them thing and them now follow the format.
Dancehall's current inability to make much of a charting impression, perhaps also about format.
Dancehall is a format. There is a particular formula and a format. So if we follow the format and the pattern, I think we can do it again, because dancehall is recognizable worldwide in every culture. So it's just we supposed to make it unique and market it properly as we used to in the 90s.
Dancehall's heyday still heavily sampled.
People not sampling things from the 2000. people are sampling more older stuff, 70s, 80s, 90s, because that has the authentic sound and it more identify with the Caribbean vibes. So it plain. Those things have more potency.
Bounty Killer credited with opening doors for others, being a musical influence, and the hits still pack a punch. A potent legacy already in place.
Legendary.
When somebody thinks of Bounty Killer in the dancehall in Jamaica, what immediately comes to mind?
They think about Bounty Killer as the poor people governor. The warlord as well, 5-star general, but also the alliance and the mentorship and others of the artists, Cartel, Movado, the people that he brought forward. So he brings a lot together in that name, Bounty Killer.
And don't mess with him.
And well, cross, angry, miserable. Still behind him, even though he doesn't project that as much anymore.
And it seems some of Bounty Killer's best songs were the songs that dealt with social commentary, actual conditions of life in Jamaica.
Yes, that period in the 90s when he came out with the Poor People Fed Up and some of the songs that spoke about the content, the lives of the people in the inner cities and the needs of these people. Those songs set him in a lot of ways at a very high point as someone who was very concerned and who was challenging the system on behalf of people. Songs like Poor People Fed Up, Anytime. These songs set Bounty Killer on this platform as a defender of the poor. He has remained there.
You get a sense Bounty Killer could have gone further internationally had he made more of the No Doubt connection.
He could have, because that connection propelled him into a level of superstardom outside of Jamaica. But again, because of the different things that were floating around, no doubt, the sexuality issue, these concerns that Jamaicans had, it was not materialized forward in the way it could have been.
His standing in Jamaica mattered to him more than anything else.
Well, being authentic in Jamaica, in the inner cities, in dancehall, is very important for a lot of our dancehall artists. And in the 90s, the big era of dancehall, the focus was more inward, more local, more to the audience here. Bounty Killer maintained that more than he pushed outwards as others eventually.
And going forward, Bounty Killer has that catalog. He can take it on the road.
Bounty Killer we can see that he's busy now trying to go further and carry everything forward. He has smoothed down that hardcore, cross, angry, miserable stance. He doesn't dress in full black all the time anymore, Anthony. But Bounty Killer always dressed up in pure black clothes, and you see him, his face. Bounty smiles a lot, he's very approachable, and he is collaborating a lot more with people outside of Jamaica. So his career is going in another direction that will take him forward.
And what's your favorite Bounty Killer song?
Poor People Fed Up. To all the system shake up, then they should go through a picnic bus.
I agree.
Poor people fed up. To all your system shake up, you issue gun for them picnic bus. Poor people fed up. To all your system shake up, when every day they get a youth fed up. Some lost them roots, some forgot them culture. You study the past, them don't know the future.